Hello and welcome to Bellwether Inventory Software Training. Today we're going to go over our inventory module as well as our asset manager module. So if you look at the top here, you can see our modules. We have inventory and asset manager. And I'm just going to walk you through just a basic overview of those modules. So we'll start off with inventory transactions. In the system, you can do any type of transaction such as issue, adjustment, receipt, return to vendor, or return to warehouse. You can also do a kit transaction. So this is typically done like in a surgery center or anywhere where you need multiple items inside of one. So let's say there's a surgery kit that you want to issue. So maybe that kit has 3 or 4 items that are needed for a certain surgery. You can go ahead and add that kit to the list and save it, and that will create the issue. That will show up in your transaction history and show up in your reports as well. You can also do warehouse transfers. Now, these don't have to be actual warehouses. They can be bins or closets or anywhere that you store inventory. But if you want to transfer from one location to the other, you can certainly do that. If you want to check what you have in your inventory, you can do that as well. So if you look at your demo department and we want to see how many widgets we have in this main warehouse, we have 5 3/4 widgets. We have 21 on order. These are the last 3 that we did orders on. If I go to my inventory record, I can see that my reorder point is 50. So whenever this reaches 50, someone who is in charge of ordering will receive an email letting them know that they need to reorder more of those widgets. The nice thing is they can say, okay, that PO number was 1260. That's the last time I ordered those. So I could go to POs from previous orders, and all I need to do is type in that PO number 1260 and then just copy that PO. It's going to create a new PO number. And then I would just go ahead and review it and submit it. So also, if you want to do barcoding, we can create barcodes for your anything that's in your inventory. So here's all the barcodes, and we can provide scanners for you. So when a scanner comes, all you would do is scan the item that you want to take out. Say you're taking out some rubber gloves. You would scan those rubber gloves, hit the quantity, put that scanner back. At the end of the day, you're going to sync that scanner to our software, and then it's going to update your inventory accordingly. That can also be used for cycle counts as well. So if you do those quarterly or monthly. Asset manager is a little different from inventory because with inventory, those items are being moved in and out. You're worried about quantities. With asset manager, you're simply making sure where everything is, who is assigned to in this software. So let's just say you have some IT equipment. This is where you would manage it all. So who it's going to, who it's assigned to. You can do any sort of depreciation value. You can manage that as well. So this has been your inventory and asset manager training. Thank you.